What? Popping everybody, you know what's wonderful, bro, man. Mr. O, breathe, action. We are back again with another reaction. So yeah, man, I figured out like since we did the reaction on the first one, the one TukzinSA remix, like yes, this is a remix. I thought, hey man, because this one we should also do it, right? It's Tukzin with Makhadzi. This is the remix of the remix, Tshivhidzelwa. So yeah, man, there's the music video. You can go and watch it. But now let's focus on this one. This one is Tukzin and Makhadzi, not featuring Makhadzi. It's Tukzin and Makhadzi, which I don't really understand, but hey man, it's not for me to understand. So let's get to it and then for some don't worry, I'm speaking English because I know Makhadzi is a global artist. She's loved by everyone, so let me just also like use English. We paid school fees for a reason. Let me change something here. Yeah, we changed school fees for a reason, so that we can be like, you know, let's get to it. Let's get to it, man. Woo! Woo! Yeah, man. The one thing I can appreciate is that the beat. You can already feel the quality have improved, and you can already feel like the beat is kind of like tangled. It tangled with a beat. So yeah, man, we appreciate that because it's not just the same. Like he just changed, he added some things there, changed some of the like melodies or the tantrums or whatsoever, and the quality is top notch. You know, I love that. Yo, man, this song doesn't get old, bro. Like, even if you listen to it like 100 times, the moment you listen to it, it's like it's new, bro. But you know, my favorite ZCC song is that Saulo, Olesiala ka Saulo, Olesiala ka Saulo, Olesiala. So I'm telling you, if he did a remix for that one, because this was my father's favorite, if he did a remix for that one, I was gonna even put it as my ringtone. Or even when the video starts, you're gonna hear Saulo, Olesiala. Tshivhidzelwa. 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 You know, the good thing about this song is that like Tshivhidzelwa, right? Tshivhidzelwa is like being summoned. For those who don't know, it's like being summoned. Sometimes being summoned without knowing what you're summoned for. It's like frightening. Yeah, whoa, my English is back. It's frightening. It's frightening. Like it's scary. Like yeah, it's scary. It's scary, right? So Tshivhidzelwa, right? So the good thing is that sometimes you can like like it helps, or like it's scary or something like that. So yeah, man. So whatever you take, it's good. But yeah, man, here they're saying like it's scary and everything, right? Because like you don't know, like when you're called to be a pastor, you don't even know a thing about being a pastor. So that's frightening. That's scary, bro. I'm talking about real pastors who are actually called here. I'm not talking about the fake pastors who are not called. And when this old guy says, ah, la la, it doesn't get old. La 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 la. La la la. La la la. Woo. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La la la. Woo. Our queen, Makhadzi yashu. Makhadzi, let's go. Hi man, ningo papa ngapha singoda ngani. Woo, live. You know, like like I wish I was called, you know. And like I wish someone like summoned me for like a bee or something, eh? You know, like okay, let's go. You know, that's the thing about Makhadzi. She's genius. Like she's talking about her, right? Like in Tamando Vidra her, like I wish I was summoned for alcohol, and then Adobari and Tamando Vendo Vidra mini Muzimu. That means she's accommodating anyone. She's accommodating both sides. Those who don't do like church stuff, who do only beer stuff, they accommodate. Those who do beer and church, they accommodate. Those who do church only, they accommodated. So that's the genius of Makhadzi, bro. Aye. Tshivhidzelwa chiyachusa, Tshivhidzelwa chiyachusa, Tshivhidzelwa, Tshivhidzelwa, Tshivhidzelwa. Lichibuya. 1, 2, 3. Tshivhidzelwa, Tshivhidzelwa. 1, 2. Woo! I remember on Meet and Chill with Baton, I was like, yeah, she didn't kill that song and everything. The moment I heard this one, I was like, yo, Makhadzi, she's dangerous, bro. Makhadzi, she killed this one. Like the moment I heard this one, the quality one, because that one was like just like something from studio and stuff. So it was not like cooked, it was not done cooked. I was like, nah, man, this is not good. But the moment I heard it, I was like, yo, Makhadzi, she's dangerous. You know, but no matter how she kills it, she can never kill these old guys. Like this, those old guys. She can never kill our grandfathers. These guys, man, they kill like their voice, bro. No matter what Makhadzi could have done here, she was never ever gonna kill these guys. Let's go. Bro, this one hit different. Like it, bro, it hits different. Yo, man. Hey, so yeah, bro, like I just reminded me of you, bro. I was watching that reaction you did of this song, the original one. So yeah, hey. La 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 la. Oh, no, wanna be Tukzi. Oh. Tshivhidzelwa. Na na na. Tshivhidzelwa. La la la. Oh, what a me about Tshivhidzelwa. Tshivhidzelwa. Kwenye ngo remix remix ukoda yanga zwino ngapo ndivide oya me wa Tshivhidzelwa. Tshivhidzelwa. Oh, no, what a me wa Tshivhidzelwa. Tshivhidzelwa. Ja. Ai. Kuchabedeza posho na watu ngawa. Yeah, what the for Manga. Mr. Oh, Breaction, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm out. Yo, this is my camera.